to our complete look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE, a luxury SUV that continues to define what comfort, performance, and modern technology should feel like in one refined package. From the very first glance, the GLE makes a strong impression with its bold front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted body that gives it a confident and athletic stance. The proportions are well balanced, offering a premium presence without looking bulky. And the updated rear design with sleek LED lighting adds a modern and elegant finish from every angle. Step inside, and the cabin instantly reflects Mercedes-Benz's focus on luxury and user comfort. High-quality materials surround you, from soft-touch surfaces to finely stitched. Leather seats that feel just as comfortable on long journeys as they do during short city drives. The interior is spacious, giving both front and rear passengers plenty of legroom and headroom. Ambient lighting enhances the atmosphere, allowing drivers to choose colors that match their mood, while improved sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet and relaxed even at highway speeds. At the center of the dashboard is the latest MBUX infotainment system displayed across dual widescreens. The system is responsive, easy to navigate, and designed to feel intuitive even for first-time users. Voice commands allow you to control navigation, climate, and entertainment simply by speaking naturally. Wireless smartphone connectivity ensures your apps, music, and calls are always within reach, while the digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information in a modern and customizable layout. Under the hood, the 2026 GLE offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving styles. The entry-level engine is a turbocharged four-cylinder paired with mild hybrid technology, delivering smooth power and improved fuel efficiency for everyday use. For those wanting more performance, the GLE 450 features a turbocharged inline-6 engine that provides strong acceleration and effortless highway cruising. There is also a plug-in hybrid variant that allows short daily commutes to be driven on electric power alone, reducing fuel consumption while still offering the flexibility of a gasoline engine for longer trips. At the top end, the V8-powered GLE models deliver impressive power, making this luxury SUV feel surprisingly quick and responsive. All engines are paired with a refined automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, giving drivers confidence on wet roads, light off-road terrain, or challenging weather conditions. The suspension system plays a major role in the GLE's comfort, absorbing bumps and road imperfections while keeping the ride controlled and stable. Even through corners, the vehicle feels balanced and composed, making it enjoyable to drive despite its size. For drivers who crave excitement, the AMG versions of the GLE elevate performance to a whole new level. These models feature sport-tuned engines, aggressive styling elements, and enhanced handling. Acceleration is powerful, steering feels sharper, and the exhaust sound adds a thrilling character that sets it apart from standard luxury SUVs. Yet, even with this performance focus, comfort and refinement remain intact. Safety is a major highlight of the 2026 GLE. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features that help monitor surroundings, maintain safe distances, and assist in emergency situations. Systems like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking work together to provide added peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. In terms of practicality, the GLE delivers generous cargo space, making it ideal for families, road trips, or daily errands. The rear seats can be folded to create even more room when needed, and the SUV's towing capability allows it to handle trailers or recreational equipment with ease. This versatility makes it a strong option for buyers who want luxury without sacrificing usefulness overall. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE stands out as a well-rounded luxury SUV that excels in comfort, performance, technology, and safety. It's designed for drivers who want a premium experience every time they get behind the wheel, whether they're commuting, traveling long distances, or simply enjoying the drive. With its refined design, advanced features, and multiple powertrain options, the GLE continues to be one of the most compelling choices in its segment.